Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Do you ever receive a PDF that needs your signature, but you're nowhere near a printer or scanner? Signing documents on your phone is surprisingly simple and incredibly convenient. You can quickly add your signature to any PDF, saving you precious time and hassle. This straightforward process truly frees you from traditional paper-based tasks, allowing you to finalize important documents from anywhere, at any time. First, open the PDF document that requires your signature. Most modern smartphones have excellent built-in PDF viewers, like Apple's Preview or Google Drive's PDF viewer. Once open, look for an editing or markup tool, which usually appears as a small pen icon or a markup option. Tapping this icon will activate the annotation features, preparing your document for the next step. This is your gateway to quick, digital signing. Now, select the signature tool from your markup options. This will usually present a blank space where you can neatly draw your signature using your finger or a stylus. If you've previously created a digital signature, it might appear here for quick reuse. Some apps even allow you to import a picture of your physical signature, offering flexibility and convenience. Take your time to make it look just right. After creating your signature, it will appear as an overlay on your document. Simply drag it into place, positioning it precisely on the designated signature line. You can easily adjust its size by pinching or expanding with your fingers, ensuring it fits perfectly. Once everything looks good, tap Done or Save to finalize your signed document. This action permanently embeds your signature, making the PDF official. With your document now signed and saved, you can immediately share it. Whether you need to email it back, upload it to a cloud service, or send it via a messaging app, your phone makes it effortless. This powerful trick truly revolutionizes how you handle essential paperwork. You have successfully eliminated the need for printing, scanning, and physical paper, embracing a faster, more convenient, and completely digital workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.